Hi, and welcome back. As you can see, it's daylight outside, so I got kind of an early start today. And apologize if I look dirty, but I just mowed our yard and pasture in a windstorm, so I'm pretty itchy right now. But I think today, and also if I sound funny, my allergies are getting to me. But I think today, I just want to kind of clean up around the area we cut out, maybe kind of straighten the cuts a little bit so it's not so wavy, and I guess sand back some of the paint so we can make sure we get a good bond with the new panel. And probably gonna file underneath to get all those burrs off. But other than that, I think that might be it for today. Kind of I don't want to say a short video because last time I said it was 20 minutes long, but this one might be one. But that's all. I don't want to really jump into bending the pan just yet because I'm going out of town, and I kind of want to do that consecutively so I know what I've done. I don't want to kind of bend it today and then when I come back try to think about what I've done. So mainly just want to get that area cleaned up, may put some weld through primer on it, and we might try to clean that brace up a little bit too. Knock those spot welds off that are still there, knock them down, and just clean that area up and spray it with some weld through primer as well. But let's head over and I'll show you what we're gonna do. All right, so basically what I'm wanting to get done today is get all these burrs off from underneath here, kind of maybe straighten the line up a little bit. Not so much here, but where maybe you can see it if you look down through the engine compartment. Maybe sand this, even this out a little bit, and get the burrs off it, and get this off the brace, and really grind this down a little bit, maybe with that new wheel I bought, and get that all down to bare metal, even this spot up here. And if we get that far, we'll of course grind all this back, sand it all down in here and here. And if we get that far today, I may go ahead and put some of that weld through primer on it. But I think I'm gonna start by filing all this edge through here, and then we'll start sanding and getting this cleaned up.
I just love seeing paint go down on this. Anyways, we cleaned it up. I didn't get to straighten that out very well there. But we got the top of the brace cleaned up pretty good. It's all relatively flat now. And I'd like for this to look better through here, but unless you look down in it, then you're not gonna really notice. So hopefully some of that rhino lining on the inside will help cover that. But I think it's starting to take shape a little bit. Of course, I may still have to come in here and cut this out. I may just cut it even with this and hammer that back down. I'm not sure. But we'll have to cut this off too, down here, just straight across. But other than that, I think it's gonna go pretty well. Next time we'll have to fit the pan in here. Of course, it's gonna go all the way up and down to about there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that flange off of it. We'll do that next time, and that way you'll set closer to the tunnel. We'll see where we have to bend it, and we'll notch that top out for that piece right there, so it'll be flush. And then we'll, if we get it where we want it, get some self-tapping screws and screw it in there, and hopefully start welding. But we gotta drill it out for spot welds on this brace and that brace. But hopefully it'll go in pretty good. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it's looking so far. I think while I'm at painting stuff, we're gonna put some paint on these just so they don't flash rust. I'm gonna use the same stuff I used on it before. Uh-oh. Well, I guess my paint's bad. Hold on a minute. Yeah, doesn't look too good, but at least there's paint on it. Of course, we're gonna have to come back over and sand over everything again. Found some high heat orange. It's this stuff that is extremely old. I bought it because I was gonna try to build a rat rod, and I was gonna use this 235 straight 6. And I started painting it, and then that's about where it ended. I took the head off and pistons out, but it's kind of where it sits now. I'd still like to do that, put this in a little like rat rod truck or something. But I need to go through my paint and throw stuff away. And here's a shot of the Healy. All my panels on it. Can't wait to start on this. It's gonna be expensive though, but can't really see the engine in there. But you've seen it. If y'all have been on my channel before, you've seen it before. But this will be one of my other projects. Hopefully by the time I get to this one, I'll have me a bigger shop. I can do multiple projects at once, because right now this Bronco is taking up pretty much all the space, and if I take the body off, I have to put it right here, and I don't have any room for anything else. But one day we'll have a shop big enough I can put all my projects in it, and hopefully roll them out, work on them, and then roll them back. But anyways, I didn't get much done, but at least we got it cleaned up some and ready to weld to. See there. I think it looks pretty good myself, but just don't know how well in the floor pan end will go.
Well, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Gotta get up early in the morning and head out, but I think we are in a good spot for when we come back, and on the Wednesday we'll start bending the pan and fitting it to the best of my ability, and hopefully by the end of the week or beginning of the week after next, we'll start tacking it in, welding it in, and hopefully this weekend I can use this and get me a new flange tool. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with how it looks, and I think we're in a good spot for putting it in the next couple weeks. But anyways, I want to say thank you again, all my subscribers. It really does mean a lot. That's the best way to help the channel, is like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said before, it gets me out there a little bit more, and me getting out there brings more help to me, which I'm all about. But anyways, thanks again, and post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you've never seen my channel before, it's usually something with a Bronco, but I've started the Healy and the Camaro before, and like I said, if this ever gets to a point where I can't work on it because I ran out of parts and don't have money, then we'll bring in another project and kind of start disassembling it a little bit too. Like, I got a 65 GMC short wide and a 50 Chevrolet 3100 out there sitting at Camaro, and the Healy over there, which I don't know when I'll be able to do that one, because I know that one's going to cost some money, and I don't have that much money to spend on it, especially when I'm sinking whatever I can get into this. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on next.